in case you do not know the origin of the Salon in France, way back hundreds of years ago, it was created by women for other women because they were not allowed to go to university. So they created the Salon as a place where they could share knowledge and explore creativity. And so that is why we decided to call this the Salon de Possibilité, because the theme this year is about redefining possible. What a theme in this year of years. And so for us, we wanted to do a little bit of a tribute to that and to create a space where we can shift our own context personally, because building community at a time like this is more critical than ever. And because we are scattered to the winds, I'd love to be with all of you around a gorgeous dinner table, but we can't do that right now. So this will do, because we'll create as much of that atmosphere as we can here, hence the music. But this really is a way to look over the next 6 weeks at, and you can come for one of them, you can come for all of them, doesn't matter. But it's really micro mastery. Can we take a bite-sized piece every week to just recalibrate and reestablish a source of power for ourselves, so that we're not just at the effect of every news headline and every upset happening around the world right now. So that's the context for all of this. And for each week, we'll have a guest who's joining us. Some of them, if you've worked with me before, you'll know them. Others are new. So I think we're going to have a blast. And this is a way for us to have a little party once a week. So I'm really excited about it. We wanted this to really be a place where we can be ourselves. And